My research proposal is over the topic, the internet and its influence on political participation. Why is this topic important? Because the advancement of technology, social media, and the internet usage, the internet has become a platform for the public sphere, where people come together to exchange political ideas, to discuss societal issues, and those conversations that will influence political actions at a greater level. And social media and the internet did not just become the platform for the public sphere, it also expanded the public sphere and made it more accessible for more people. So I have two hypotheses for my research proposal. One is the internet and the social media have a positive effect on political engagement. Two is the overabundance of information online will decrease citizens' interest in political involvement. In addressing those two hypotheses, I plan to use quantitative method to survey individuals who are 18 years or older. I plan to use both online survey and offline survey to see how those two different surveys would differ from one another. The reason why I would include offline survey is because if I just use online survey, it will exclude the participant that does not have access to the internet. And the result won't be accurate if we want to know how the internet will influence political communication if we don't include the people that does not have internet. So by having comparison between both online and offline will make us see a clear picture of how the internet will influence political engagement. So in the survey, I plan to ask participants' involvement through voting, organization involvement, community works, volunteering, supportive activities such as donating, protesting, and comparing those data to pre-internet period to see how the internet have an effect on political engagement, and also comparing those data to the offline survey. And I will also ask how they give their information, if they give their information through online or offline, or through friends, or TV or newspaper. So in addressing the second hypothesis, I plan to include a question by asking them how often do they see political information online and how do they react to it. Is it positive or is it negative or just kind of natural because they see it so many times? That's basically how I want to approach my hypothesis, and to make sure that protect my participants' privacy, I will not include their name. I think the only thing I will include is their age and their gender to see how they react differently from the internet usage or without internet usage. That's about it. Thank you guys. Have a good one.